Good morning, welcome back. Today we are going to be thankful of our heart. And I want to walk you through it. I find that the heart is really important to be thankful about. So I want you to join me in a tiny mini meditation, please. So if you're listening to this, you were meant to do this with me. It's only going to take 2 minutes. I invite you to sit up straight or be very comfy anywhere you are, a chair, bed, whatever. And be comfy and close your eyes. And I want you to take a deep breath and exhale. And take another deep breath through the nose and exhale through the mouth, slowly and nicely. And think of your heart. And we're going to say, thank you, heart. I am happy and thankful for you, my heart, for being there for me. I'm thankful to you for helping me be loving, be compassionate, and be caring, especially towards myself. Thank you, my heart, for giving me love, for giving me kindness, for giving me patience. Thank you, my heart, for being loving and compassionate and understanding. Thank you, heart, for keeping me alive. Thank you, heart, because you never stop working for me. I don't even think about it, but you're always beating for me, always sending blood to all of my organs, always making it work. You keep me alive. You keep me loving. You keep me kind. Thank you, heart. I love you. And I am happy that you are with me. And take a deep breath in through the nose and outside through the mouth. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. You can stretch. But remember, this is something that you want to keep in mind for the rest of the day. When you're walking somewhere, doing chores, talking to people, arguing with people, getting frustrated, watching TV, remember to think about your heart. It's always with you. It never stops. If it did, you wouldn't exist anymore. You couldn't be here. So be thankful. Your heart keeps you here. Pretend you are embracing it and hugging it tight. Thank you, heart. And I know it may sound silly, but it's actually magical. What we are doing this week, it's magical. You will see. This is an experiment. Let's see, after 25 days of being thankful, try to keep track of your life and see if things improve in general. I hope they do. I mean, I hope you notice the improvement. I know they will improve. I want you to be aware how precious you are and how magical you are. All the answers are always inside of you. You have the key. You are the boss. You decide how you want to live your life. You decide what kind of life you want to have. You do. Life happens for you. It's like a restaurant. You go to the restaurant and you tell them what you want to eat, and they bring it. You tell it what kind of life you want to have today. Is it going to be a happy one or a sad one? Is it going to be a lonely one or a social one? Are you going to be successful and excited, or are you going to be a failure and blue? You decide. It's up to you. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you again tomorrow morning. Oh my God.